Welcome to Music Metadata channel. In this video, we'll talk about updating existing DMP instances. There are 3 reasons for updating DMP. If there is a security issue with the version you installed, which will happen sooner or later with any software. If there is a bug that affects you. Or, if you need some features from the newer version. However, we recommend updating at least once per year. Any junior software developer or system administrator will be able to do it. Still, it is too complicated for most people. Or not. We'll explain how to do it. The simplest way to update is to install Heroku command line interface. It can be installed on Windows, Mac and Linux. Then you log in, clone the repository, enter the folder, add a new remote and push. Yes. You should not just copy-paste things from internet. Make sure the commands will not wipe your disk or do something even nastier. If you get an error, read carefully, usually it is something trivial. For example, if you run into this error, you have to go to Settings tab for your Heroku app and delete this build pack. Once you are using DMP in production, you should subscribe to new releases on GitHub. Of course, these instructions are also available in the official documentation, in the installation, configuration and updating section. Let's wrap up quickly. Here are our next 2 videos. And here are playlists about DMP and Latona.app. Have a nice day.